Go for it. Quiet.
Yeah.
So he's fixing to chop off the resonator somewhere in the middle of the exhaust.
Yeah,
It's gonna be straight pipe. It's an SS 5.3 front wheel drive LS engine. Let's see what it sounds like with the straight pipes.
Just in case he wants to put it back. I was thinking it comes just like right in front of the weld.
Yeah, you're not gonna put it back. Just go for it.
Oh yeah, why would I put it back?
Yeah. Got wedged.
Shit. Hey, it doesn't say.
Nah, I'll be alright. Hell yeah. Are you gonna start it like that in there? Go for it. It shot me in the face. Like shot rust out. No, it's okay. Alright, time to take the cat off. He's gonna rev it up a little bit, see what it sounds like. Dude, it's like the sound shouldn't be coming from this car. It sounds like a truck. So this is my morning so far. I'm driving my mom's GX460 because I was having like this small issue that I was gonna, you know, take it to work and check it out. And I got a flat tire as soon as I pulled out of the apartment. It's got this big nasty gash in the tire, side of the road. Gonna be late to work. Obviously I'm putting on the spare, but I've got this suspicion that that's the gash in the tire. So they put up a new fence where I'm at, and they were cutting a whole bunch of metal, like fencing material, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be like trash or garbage in the road, and I probably ran over it. And if I find a piece of fence, that the piece of fence that punctured this damn tire, we're gonna hold them responsible. This is fucked up. I'm gonna park right here for now. Be fucked up if we got a flat tire again in the same spot. Yeah, that'll do it. This is where the back left tire was. Son of a bitch. And what this looks like is like an anchor that went to the bottom because it's all rusted up. This was probably underground. It's actually for the fence. You see back there for the pool, they put up that new fence, and this came off the old one. Here's the piece of metal I found. Check that out. Same size. So yeah, that was my morning. I was probably like 30 minutes late to work, which not too bad. So right now they've got me swapping wheels. They like sticking aftermarket wheels on the brand new Lexuses, and they mark it up, who knows, like probably $3,000 or $4,000. And it seems like more often than not, the customer actually wants the stock wheels put back on the car, which I don't blame them. I mean, if I had like a Lexus SUV, because these are GX460s, the customer always says the ride quality would be better with smaller wheels and a larger tire, which is, I mean, it's probably true. So I don't blame them. But right now I'm programming the TPMS sensors. Pretty annoying. So I'm what's this software called? TechStream. It's like the software we use for Lexus, Toyotas, and Scions. I gotta get all the codes. That's number 1 is for the spare 338E. Yeah, this is really annoying. I'm sure you don't care about this, but ID registration is complete. That should be flashing, and then I gotta go into the data. I don't know how I'm showing you this. This is, I guess, it's kind of like a vlog of what I gotta do at work, pretty much. And then from here, damn, they're already registered. That was really fast. Alright, this one's done. It takes 2 hours to swap wheels. And since there's this car and that one, it's 4 hours, and it probably takes about an hour to do. So make it 4 hours in 1 hour. I'll take these wheel swaps any day. I've kind of got some bad news about the turbo 2-door. Pretty sure it has a blown head gasket. Well, I'm like 110% sure it's got a blown head gasket. It's using coolant, and when it warms up, it pushes coolant into the reservoir, and it bubbles up too. So, damn, I haven't actually popped the hood in a while. It's that paint. Some rust is starting to pop through that paint a little bit. I'm gonna put some more coats on there. The paint is holding up though. It's just there's some spots, but it's like water stains from coolant. If it weren't for all those water stains, it looked pretty damn good. So what's cool is I could just go ahead and just touch it up and spray on top of that. Let's see how much coolant we have. Probably nothing. Yep. So what I'm gonna do is top off the coolant and make some pulls on a blown head gasket. Hell yeah. In my last video I was having like this issue where it was bogging down because I think it was where I like rigged up the 2-step. At a certain RPM, it like took away a bunch of timing. So I added timing back in, and I'm gonna see if that dead spot is away. And if it is, if it runs pretty good and healthy, I might run my coworker's Mustang. He has a 2010 Mustang GT. So, I don't know. Let's just go drive and see what happens. Oh snap. That was my Challenger last week. If you saw that video, I'll put a card up top and a link. I raced this dude last week. Pretty cool video. Before I do like a serious second, third gear pull, I'm gonna get some food just to make sure I can make it back to work. Because when I get on it, it really likes to push coolant into the reservoir and it'll start overheating. So I'm gonna save that to a little bit later. Quick first gear. Yeah, the dead spot's gone. I'm just gonna do a quick 1-2 before I do a second to third gear. It pulls a lot better. It's not really bogging down like at 6,000 like it was before. So yeah, it was just a timing issue. I had to go in the map and make some tweaks. So basically I got to raise up where I want my 2-step to be at with the anti-lag. I'll probably set that maybe like at 6,500, or I could lower my VTEC a little bit. You know, just some things you got to deal with when you're a poor guy and can't afford the pro version of Chrome. I was looking last night and I see versions on eBay for like somebody's selling the pro version for 50 bucks, but you have to use like Team Viewer where like they log into your computer and install it for you or something like that. And it just seems a little weird, man. I'm not sure if I'm comfortable with that, but I might still try and do that anyway. Because I mean, 50 bucks versus I think it's 150 full price for the full version of Chrome. So I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, it's pulling pretty healthy, but I know it's not fast enough to beat a 2010 GT, so I know I'm gonna lose, but I'm gonna predict, I think I could stay within 2 to 3 car lengths of him. I'm gonna go ahead and call it now. He'll probably get me by like 3 car lengths, but I'll see if he's down for a fun run later on. I think I'm gonna want to do like a 40 roll. It seems to be pretty good for me. It's like the bottom of 2nd gear. So I'm going back and like watching my videos, like my pulls that I've been making, and the AFR is a little lean. It's floating around like the mid 12s, 12.6, 12.5. It goes down to like 12.2 at one point, but then like when it gets close to like 7 grand, it's like mid 12s. So I wish I had my computer with me to throw in some fuel, like 15-20% more fuel in the top end. But I don't have it with me, so yeah, I might still race the dude even though it's running a little lean. Hey look, deja vu. I forgot my wallet the first time I came. God damn, so I had to come back, and I just came in this car. So they got me swapping wheels again, this time on 2 LS 500s. They want these wheels swapped out with these wheels. So these were off the LC 500. It's like a sporty 2-door coupe, and obviously these are factory LS 500 wheels. So the person buying this one wants stock wheels. So we're gonna get these off of here, switch them out, and I'm gonna record some nonsense that is hopefully a little entertaining. But with this guy. Alright, just gotta write over the tire pressure sensors, and this swap is done. As always, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like the video, comment, dislike, do anything you want, just do something. Thanks for watching.